In this video, you'll learn how to install Redi Shade's No Tools Simple Slide Roller Shade Brackets. These brackets are designed to work with stock roller shades, replacing traditional screw-in brackets for inside mount installation. The Simple Slide Bracket package includes an easy install template to help you properly position the brackets on each side of your window frame. It can be found on the inside of the package. Use the curved line small roll for shades smaller than 1 inch in diameter, or large roll for shades larger than 1 inch in diameter. Cut out the template from the inside of the package. Remove adhesive liner from one of the brackets. Position the template in the window at the desired depth, touching the top of the frame as shown. Adhere the bracket using the inner curve of the template. Ensure the 3M command release tab is pointing downward. Press firmly, securing the bracket. Rotate the template so that the toward window arrow is facing up and repeat on the other side. Once your brackets are securely in place, install your shade by first inserting the round pin end of shade into the circular hole of bracket. Push firmly and slide the flat pin inside the channel of other bracket until it nests firmly. If the easy install template does not fit your window depth or you prefer not to use it, measure an equal distance from both the top and back of your window frame. Mark this position and then repeat on the other side of your window using the same measurements. Remove the adhesive liner from each bracket and place on each of the marks. Press firmly to secure the brackets. Install the shade. Remove the shade by sliding the flat pin out of the channel, then remove the inserted pin out of the other end. To remove the brackets, grasp the adhesive tab and slowly stretch it until it pulls away from the window.